Welcome everybody to Magna Realty, a channel dedicated to real estate answers, education, and advice for buyers, sellers, realtors, and everyone in between. Today, I'm going to show realtors the 3 reasons to add a local community page to your listing and agent websites. So watch this full video to get all of my proven methods. You'll be glad that you did. In this day and age, listing and agent websites are the norm. And many of these sites share the same general features across agents, brokerages, and listings. While it's no surprise that content, including media and branding, are key differentiators on agent and property websites, one of the most underutilized practices that an agent can use to gain an advantage is an addition to local community pages on their personal websites and property websites. So stay tuned as I share the 3 benefits of adding local community pages to your listing and agent websites. Number 1, organic traffic to your website. It's a no-brainer. By adding local community pages, you can help build organic traffic to your sites. You may even be able to rank. Number 2, differentiate and engagement. While some agents have started adding local pages to their website, most have not, making this a great way to differentiate yourself and your site. Local community pages also make your websites more engaging to site visitors. You should consider including information about the area, noteworthy landmarks, map of the area, multiple photos, videos, market snapshots, school information, community events, and much more. Just think out of the box and get it all into one place. Now, you can also link to the city's tourism website. That's a viable option, but the more you can personalize and put your own touch on the site by creating it yourself, the better off you'll be. Now guys, if you like this video so far, please mash the subscribe button and leave your comments below. I'd really like to hear from you guys. Number 3, adding local pages additionally positions you as the market expert while being helpful for potential buyers who are unfamiliar with the area but considering the move. It also helps sellers understand that you are a market leader and attract many buyers with this type of information. These factors are great for building your agent brand, which also going to be an important factor for sustaining business over time. Well, there you go. My top 3 reasons on why you should add local community pages to your website. Thanks again for visiting the channel for your real estate answers, education, and advice. Make sure you check out the description below for written details and links to the Magna Training University. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share. And in the meantime, go sell some homes. I'm out.